pretty dolls at a store and a Target.
Hey guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my fall/Halloween home tour. I'm so excited to show you guys a little peek at my new house and how we're decorating for fall in our home. So come along, I'll give you a little bit of a tour. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Marian. I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. I will definitely be doing home decorating for Hanukkah coming up, so look out for that. And I also just love kind of celebrating the seasons and making our home feel special each time of the year, especially this year on such a tough year. So I am really enjoying this process. Before I jump into the home decor, I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about being Jewish and celebrating Halloween, which I think I'm going to make a whole separate video about because I do get a lot of questions. By the way, if you hear a little baby running around, it's my little baby running around, but don't worry, my husband's watching him. I do get a lot of questions about if Jewish people celebrate Halloween, do I celebrate Halloween, etc. So the answer to that is yes, some Jewish people celebrate Halloween, some Jewish people don't. The reason for that being is that the holiday of Halloween originated as a pagan tradition, so not a Jewish tradition, and some Jewish people feel very strongly that that means it's still in its current form notes and celebrates a pagan aspect of faith, which Judaism does not, so they don't celebrate it. For me personally, I think about it this way. It's kind of like if you said you weren't going to celebrate Thanksgiving because of the origins of the holiday, in that an aspect of the Thanksgiving story is that settlers came to an indigenous homeland and pretty much decimated the population there. Now that is a totally legitimate reason not to celebrate Thanksgiving, and if anybody feels that way and doesn't celebrate the holiday, I totally get it. That being said, I think that a lot of these holidays have changed and evolved so much over time that to me, Thanksgiving doesn't celebrate that. It just celebrates an aspect of autumnal fall culture in America. In the same way that to me, Halloween doesn't glorify or pray to witches and goblins. It's just a fun, kid-themed, spooky time in the fall. So that's how I think of it. Of course, other Jewish people have their own interpretations like we all do. So I hope that makes sense. Feel free to ask me any questions you have in the comments below. I try to write back to every single one. And like I said, I'll try and make a whole separate video about it so you have more questions. Ask me. Okay, let's get into the fall Halloween home tour. So right now we are in our living room. We actually just got our couch, which is very exciting because we've been without one for a few months. So let me show you guys what I got going on in here. So this is what the room looks like when you come in. This is our new couch, by the way. We just got it from Macy's, and this ottoman's from CB2. And then these little fall couch cushions I got on Amazon, and this is so cute. It's a little hocus pocus / trick or treat pillow. That's from the Target dollar spot. I know in these videos people are like, take a shot every time I say Target dollar spot. But yeah, that's just a little bit on the couch of Halloween decor. And then up here on our fireplace mantle, this banner is old. I honestly don't remember where it was from or that pumpkin. And then those are just real pumpkins I got at the grocery store. And because I'm in the mood, I'm gonna run up our back stairs and show you guys the view from up top of the room. So that's what it looks like. Should I get some Halloween decor for the dog bed? Let me know. But yep, that's the room. And now we're gonna go into the kitchen, which one area is a bit of a mess, so I won't show you guys that, but the rest of the kitchen I will show you. So this is our kitchen. I recently posted a whole organization tour of this, so if you're interested, I'll link that below. And I just have a few things here, some glass pumpkins. This one's from Home Goods. That one we got like by an artist. This plate, by the way, I get asked about it a lot because I always post my desserts on it. This is Annie glass. So just a few things on the island. I don't like it to be too cluttered because I'm using it as a work service constantly. This is probably my favorite little nook. I made this last year at one of those like painting kind of places. I think it's so cute. That little pumpkin is Target dollar spot, and then those are just some real pumpkins. But yeah, that's probably my favorite part of the kitchen right now. I think it's so cute. So I try not to go too over the top with decorations, mostly because I don't want it to create a space that's hard to clean and live in because there's so much going on. So I just like a few autumnal touches, but not too much. And then over here on this side of the kitchen, I just have one little pumpkin, this blue one. This is from Target this year. And then I love to put out some photos. This is Halloween last year. Look how cute the little Kitley wings are. So I want to get like a frame for this. I haven't gotten around to that yet, but plan to put those up as well. And then moving right along to the front of our house, I love decorating with photos. This was actually a postcard I made on Shutterfly, but it's really just a photo. But I was able to kind of put a few of our Halloween pictures from last year in it. So it just says from our patch to yours 2019. So that's in our one of our main entryway photo frames. So I love having that changed seasonally. And that's another tip I have for decorating, is to use photos. It makes such an impact. It's got all the theme colors and everything, and is super inexpensive and is also very personal. So that's one of my favorite things to decorate with. And then last up, we have our entry. This is all boxes and clutter because we just moved, so I can't show you guys that really. But this little sign, I just got at the grocery store. I thought it was cute. This again is an example of decorating with a photo. So this was my baby from last year. Look how cute. So I just change this frame all the time. Some pumpkins, and that's it. This frame is always here. So just a little bit of fall right as you come in. And then down here are all the pumpkins we got at our pumpkin patch, which was very exciting. I leave them inside the house because my kids love playing with them. So normally this would be outside the house, but they're just too precious to go there right now, so there they are right here as you come in. So those are my fall/Halloween decorations. I do change it slightly after Halloween to make it more of a Thanksgiving theme before jumping into Hanukkah. But one thing I want to add just before we go is that I read this beautiful piece, and I can't remember who wrote it, about how decorating for your home for the holidays and the seasons really ties you to the natural world, because we live in this modern society where we're just in our house bubble, literally in 2020, and we're very disconnected from the natural world. Bringing elements of that into our home, like with pumpkins and things like that, really just reminds our bodies and our spirits about the changing seasons, about how we're tied to the natural world, how we're not immune from its changes. So I just think that's really beautiful, and it really makes me feel good about filling my home with pumpkins. So I hope you guys like this video. Look out for my next one about Jewish families and Halloween coming up shortly, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!